Welcome back. In the last video, we are created the basic React application. After creation of the basic React application, this is the file structure we got. So I want to create the more components and add to the my application first-app. So for that, first we have to create a folder. I want to keep all the components at one place. So go to the source, create a folder. I'm giving the name as components. So under this, I want to create a component, just a hello world component I'm creating. In the browser, it has to print the hello world. So go to the file, new file, select the components directory, go to the new file. Here give the component name as I am giving the hello.jsx. One thing I have to say here, the component name, whatever you are creating, always should be starts with the capital letter. So hello.jsx is ready. So here what we have to write? We have to import the React, import React from React. After this, we have to write the component. Component name is, I am giving the function name and the component both are same. I'm giving the same value, same name, function. Hello, function name, I'm giving the hello. It is a function, so open and close the brace. Open the curly braces. And inside the function, what is the functionality I'm doing? Just returning the hello world. So just return, and it should be the some header of h1 hello world. And now we have to call this application from the app.js. So we have to, how we are calling this one? The complete application has to export with some name. So for that, export default, same name I am giving as a component name hello. So what we are doing here, just writing the simple component which is printing the hello world on the browser. So for that function name is hello, I'm giving just returning the hello world, and this complete functionality we are keeping exporting as a element name as hello. So this is done successfully. Save it. Now we have to call this component from the app.jsx. So go to the app.jsx. We need not the default application, so remove everything. Remove the default application. CSS, this is also not required. This is also not required. Just use the, this is the React fragment. From here, you can able to call the functions. So we have to call that function. What is the function? What is that component name? Hello. HE, hello, ending with the brace. So after this, we are calling this one. So corresponding import also we have to do here. For that, go to import. What is the component name? Hello. Where it is available from? Where it is available, hello. In the components folder, it is available. So from, in the current directory, dot, in the current directory, wherever the app.jsx is available in the same directory, src folder, we have one more directory, components. In that directory, hello.jsx is available. Okay. So we are importing we are calling the created component and imported the supporting file. Okay. So we wrote the hello.js component. We call the component from the app.jsx. So now you have to run this one. We are at the React folder, but my application at the first app. So change the directory to First tab. Now package manager, everything is already there. Just run the develop environment npm run dev. So it will be navigate to the this URL. Just it will printing the hello world. Okay. So I want to, this is about the how to create the simple hello world application. And I want to write the one more component. What I have to do? Again, go to the components, choose the new file. I am writing the new component name as test.jsx. So again, what we have to write? The minimum thing you have to write is you have to import function, the function name, export default, everything you have to do. So every time we have to write this code. But simplicity, what we are doing, I am adding some extension to the this VS code, that is ES7. This is the extension ES7 React Redux GraphQL. By installing this one, I'm installing this one. So after installing this one, what happens is we need not to write the everything. That is the default imports and the function names and the export default. These things are need not to require repeatedly write. Just we can use the short form that RAFC. That is RAFC. RAFC is for React Arrow Function Component. RAFCE for React Arrow Function Export Component. And RAFCP is React Arrow Function Component with the proper types. So first we will see what is RAFC. So this is a default boiler code you are getting. React Arrow Function Component. Suppose if you want to create the other one, that is the export also we are including RAFC. Export is also coming. So what is another one? RAFCP. Arrow function component with prop types. Okay. So we will see the simple application. Same hello world. How can you do? RAFCP. Not props. RAFCE. Export. So again, directly you can write the what are the code is required. H1. Hello world. I am giving the name as hello world. Save this one. Now where we have to call this component? In the app.jsx. Go to app.jsx. Already hello is there. Now I am calling the new component, that is the test. So test we are calling. So corresponding import also we have to write. Import test component from where? From current directory components. In the components directory, the file name is test.jsx. So now go to the browser. It is not already there. So go to the browser simply. You will get the hello world and the hello world too. So with the help of this extension, ES7 extension, ES7 React Redux extension, we need not to write the code completely from the scratch. So the boilerplate code will be generated with the help of this extension. Okay. Thank you.